The Minister of Education, Dr. Maruf Tunji Alausa, has officially opened the International Conference on Smart Education and Digital Literacy. The minister's declaration underscores the importance of embracing digital transformation in the education sector to equip students with the skills needed to thrive in a rapidly evolving world. Welcome to Equal Blog and TV. My name is Comfort Olainka. Stay tuned for more reports.
In a bold push towards transforming Nigeria's education landscape, key stakeholders gathered at the International Conference on Smart Education and Digital Literacy held in Abuja. The conference, supported by Korean government, brought together policymakers, educators and tech experts with one common goal: to reposition basic education for resilience, innovation and inclusion. The Minister of Education, Dr. Maruf Tunji Alausa, emphasized the ministry's commitment to deploying technology at scale, digitizing teacher professional development. Leveraging data to track education impact, and introduce an intelligent system into classrooms.
As digital technologies continue to redefine the global landscape, education must not be left behind. Sub-Saharan Africa stands at crossroads with pressing development needs, yet immense potential. In Nigeria, over 44% of our population is under 15 years. To harness this demographic dividend, we must reimagine education to equip our youth with 21st century digital skills. As you've seen in the presentation, we have to turn this youth population into demographic dividend. It can never, and we should never allow it to be demographic disaster. We do not have a choice. It has to be demographic dividend for our country. This vision underpins our national digital literacy learning policy launched in May 2023. The policy provides a clear framework to promote accessible, equitable, and quality education through technology. It focuses on using digital tools to enhance teaching and learning outcomes, foster innovation, and build a system of resilience, especially in the face of disruptions.
The Executive Director of UBEC, Aisha Garba, highlighted UBEC's strategic collaboration with the Korean government and its commitment to global competitiveness through digital literacy and device deployment. She pointed to examples from countries like Rwanda and Korea, where artificial intelligence and community-led education models are reshaping classrooms.
AI is being used in classroom, and they're integrating community ownership into rural learning. AI is mainstreaming digital literacy through the nationwide device deployment and teacher training. Korea is using smart schools. Under the Renewed Hope agenda, school empowerment, education, using technology is no longer an option. It's a tool that is being used to change lives, to measure learning and measure access, using real-time data under the nursery and UBEC data platforms. Consequently, we have moved beyond simply introducing technology into our schools. We are building systems, sustainable models, platforms that will offer digital learning to teachers.
Speaking with the press, the minister disclosed that starting this year, teachers will undergo continuous training, and by July, the ministry will begin using collected data to identify and solve systematic problems. Amongst dignitaries at the event were members of the National Assembly, including the Vice Chairman of the Senate Committee on Tertiary Education and the House Chairman on Tertiary Education, as well as other notable stakeholders.
We're going to be adopting technology from this year on. We'll be deploying a teacher professional development via digitally. And we also incentivize our teachers to take these lessons. And once they take the lessons and pass short exams, they'll be paid some stipend for doing that. As we improve the quality of our teachers, guess what that will lead to? It will improve the quality of the education that we're giving our children. We don't have a choice, we have to do this. And also, we're also talking about infusing artificial intelligence into our school. And as we use more technology in curriculum development, in building our pedagogies, in also training our teachers, and the way education is being delivered to our children, and also using technology to enhance teaching of our children, as well as using technology to test them. You could see, we saw the report of JAM today. Less than 30% of people, almost 2 million people that sat for the exam got above 200. That's a reflection of not the quality of education per se.
Comfort Olayinka, a cohort blog TV.